Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you exactly how to use Windows Media Player in Windows 11, including how to enable it, set it up, and start playing your favorite music or videos right away. If you've been missing the classic Windows Media Player, don't worry. It's still here, just a little hidden. Let's unlock it together. Alright, let's start from the beginning. First, click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen, that little magnifying glass on your taskbar. Now, type Windows Features, and from the result, select Turn Windows Features on or off. A new window will open. Scroll down until you find a folder named Media Features. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the options. Here, you'll see Windows Media Player Legacy. Check the box next to it. This tells Windows to install it for you. Once that's done, click OK and wait for the installation to finish. Windows might take a minute or two to set it up, and you may be asked to restart your PC afterward. Perfect. Now that Windows Media Player is installed, let's open it. Click Search again, type Windows Media Player, and you should see the app appear in the results. Click it to launch the player for the first time. When it opens, you'll get two setup options: recommended settings or custom settings. If you're not sure what to choose, just go with recommended settings. It configures everything automatically for smooth playback. And that's it. You now have full access to the classic Windows Media Player, ready to play music, movies, or even manage your playlists. Just like the old days, but on Windows 11. So that's how easy it is to enable and use Windows Media Player in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and hidden features like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.